Without shipping, receiving, and traffic clerks, many businesses would grind to a halt. That's because these specialists make sure that products get packed, shipped, and delivered as quickly and efficiently as possible. Shipping clerks ensure that orders are filled correctly. They keep accurate records of all outgoing shipments and may be responsible for determining the best method of transportation to use. Receiving clerks have similar duties regarding deliveries of merchandise or raw materials that a company or store has ordered. They make sure the shipment is correct and in good condition. When a company is too small to have separate shipping and receiving departments, a traffic clerk typically handles both incoming and outgoing shipments. In all such jobs, the ability to keep clear, accurate records is crucial. So too is some familiarity with computers, since computer programs are often used to keep data organized and accessible. A good thing to remember about taking a job as a shipping, receiving, or traffic clerk is that it provides you with an excellent way to become familiar with a company's products and services, so that you can position yourself for future advancement.